Let's play a game. I will play 2 songs. You have to guess which one is AI generated.
I see our pictures hanging on the wall, but now they're just a painful reminder of it all. I remember the very first time we met. You turned my world upside down, I can't forget. Your eyes, they sparkle like a shooting star.
If your answer is song number 1, congratulations, you are right. And if your answer is number 2, then congratulations again. Your answer is also right. Both of the songs are AI generated. Yes, now you can generate a full-length song with AI. In this video, I will introduce an AI tool that can generate a completed song from a single prompt. And the most interesting fact is, it's completely free to use. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Introducing Suno AI, a 100% free AI-powered song generator platform. To start creating your first AI-generated song, open your browser and then search for Suno AI on a search engine. Now click on the very first link. This is the Suno AI dashboard. It's a very minimalist webpage. Here you can create your song on the web version of Suno AI or join on the Discord server. I would prefer to use the web version. Okay, click on the Try Beta from here. Now we have to sign in with our Discord or Google account. I will go with a Google account because it's the easiest process. After signing in with a Google or Discord account, you will be redirected to the creator page. You can notice I got 50 credits for free. If you need more credits, you have to buy a subscription. Suno AI will give you 50 free credits every day. One song generation will cost 10 credits. That means you can generate 5 songs every day for free. That's good enough for many of us. But if you want to generate more songs and sell or use them for commercial purposes, then you have to buy one of the subscription plans. At this moment, 50 credits per day is good enough for me. So, I will go with the free version. Alright, now let's see the features of Suno AI. This is the Create page. Here you can generate a song from a single prompt. You have to enter a detailed prompt about your song in this box. After entering the prompt, hit the Create button from here and AI will generate the song for you. After that, the Create Custom feature. Here you can enter your song lyrics or generate lyrics with AI. After entering your lyrics or generating it, enter the style of your music. After all is set, hit the Generate button from here. It will generate a song for you. After that, in the My Clips tab, you will find the songs you have generated. As this is a brand new account, and I haven't generated any songs yet, this tab is blank at this moment. In the last, you will find Turkey Time. It's a sample AI generated song. You may hear it. Okay, let's generate our first song. To do this, come to the Create page. Now enter your prompt. This time I will enter simply a hip-hop song about USA. After entering the prompt, hit the Create button. It will take some time to generate the song. Normally it takes less than 1 minute. You can see it generates lyrics for us. And it's quite good lyrics. There are 2 parts to the lyrics, verse and chorus. That's impressive. And our song is ready. You can see, alongside the song, Suno AI generates a cover photo too. I love it. Suno AI generates 2 compositions for us. Let's play the first one.
From the east to the west, to the north down to the south, we got the stars and stripes, that's what we all about. We got the swag, we got the style, we got the flow. United States of America, baby, here we go. Whoa, we got that red, white, and blue magic, representing the land where dreams come true. We're taking over, nothing can stop us. USA, baby, we're coming through. Hey!
That sounds quite good. Let's play the second composition.
From the east to the west and the north down to the south, we got the stars and the stripes, that's what we're all about. We got the
This one is also good. They are typical hip-hop songs. Now let's try a different genre. This time I will generate a romantic sad song. And our song is ready. Let's see the result.
I see our pictures hanging on the wall, but now they're just a painful reminder of it all. The nights we spent, the love we had, faded into darkness. It's making me feel so bad. It's a melancholy memory. Ooh, yeah. And on repeat, it's haunting me. Every word, every note, it's tearing me apart. It's romantic, sad song. I see our pictures hanging on the wall, and now they're just a painful reminder of it.
Both of the compositions are really good. Which one do you like most? Let me know in the comment sections. Okay, this time, I will generate a rock song with a female voice. Enter your prompt and hit the create button. And Suno AI generates 2 songs for us. Let's play them one by one.
I remember the very first time we met. You turned my world upside down, I can't forget. In your eyes, they sparkle like a shooting star. And baby, you snuck right into my heart. Oh yeah, we danced all night, the music loud and wild. You're the fire that sets my soul on flames. When we're together, nothing feels the same. With every touch, my heart starts to race. You're the reason I'm alive, my saving grace. I'm falling deeper in love every day. I remember the very first time we met, and the world upside down, I can't forget. Your eyes, they sparkle like a shooting star.
I think the first one is better than the second one. Okay, till now we generated songs in the English language. Let's see the result with another language. Let's generate a romantic sad song in a female voice in Hindi language. And the songs are ready. Let's play them.
खोए रहे हमेशा से अकेले, दिल का दरिया खुद में ही बह गया। तेरी यादों में डूबकर मैं रही तेरे बिना जहाँ परे। खोए रहे हमेशा से अकेले, दिल का दरिया खुद में ही बह गया। तेरी यादों में डूब।
That's good. I wanted this song with a female voice, but AI generated the song in a male voice. Otherwise, the compositions were good. Alright, now let's try the Create Custom feature. After coming to this page, enter your lyrics. As I have no lyric, I will generate it with ChatGPT. Just give instruction about your lyrics. After generating the lyrics, copy and paste it into the Suno AI lyrics box. After that, enter the style of the music. After all is set, hit the generate button. And here is the result.
In the moonlit, our love takes flight. Heartbeats drumming, a rhythm so right. Guitar strings strumming, stars above. We dance together, wrapped in love. You're my rock, my guiding light. In this symphony, we make it right. Through the storms, through thick and thin, our love's a melody that'll never dim. Electric sparks in your eyes ignite like a ballad, burning so bright. In this anthem of passion, you're the refrain. In the moonlit night, our love takes flight. Heartbeats drumming, a rhythm so bright. Guitar strings strumming, stars above. We dance together, wrapped in love. You're my rock, my guiding light. In this symphony, you make it right. Through the storms, through thick and thin, our love's a melody that'll never dim. Electric sparks in your eyes ignite like a ballad, burning so bright. In this anthem of passion, you're the refrain in every chord.
Both of the compositions are very good. I love both of them. In this way, you can generate unlimited songs with AI. You can start your own new music channel on YouTube. This AI tool works in Discord too. If you are curious about more details and want to know how you can make a music channel on YouTube to make money, let me know in the comment section. I will make a dedicated video on it. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating song AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.